Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the fv function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is used to calculate the future value of an investment based on a constant interest rate. So to be able to run this function we need to have 5 arguments, but please take note that 2 of those arguments are optional. So we first of all need the annual interest rate, which in our case will be 2%. We need the NPER, which will be the number of payments. We need the PMT, which will be the amount of payments. We need the present value, and we need the type, which will be either 0 or 1. So let's take this example right here. And run this function. So pretty simple. Let's try it out. So we'll start by writing down an equal sign, and the first element that we need to enter will be our annual interest rate. So here it's going to be 2%. Then the number of payments will be 24. Then our amount of the payment will be 100, and the present value is 350. Now the next element will be our payment due. So it's either 0 or 1. So let's enter 1 right here. And then we can close our parentheses. Just for information, if we enter 0 here, it will indicate that the payment is due at the end of the period. Now, if we run this function, little mistake right here. We forgot to enter the name of the function, so it's going to be fv, and we can open up our parentheses. And here we go. Just like that, we are able to have our future value of our investment based on the arguments that are just right there. So as always, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out my courses on the link down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.